Very good evening, children. Yes. First of all, let us all clap for ourselves. Yesterday, you all have done wonderful job. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. See, every time, day by session by session, you are improving a lot. Very good. There is always scope for improvement, right? Yes. Very nice. Now we all know that if we want to become successful in anything, what tools are required? First thing is, of course, meditation. So, with meditation, what else do we need? Do we need to add? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone answer this? What do we need for success? Yes, Visista.
Yes, ma'am. Mindfulness, awareness, confidence, believing in ourselves, emotional balance.
Yes.
Thought power.
One more, I think you left. Nikhila's topic.
Loving ourselves.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. So let us keep all these things in our mind. Okay, then you can be successful in your studies, you can be successful in your music, you can be successful in your art. Okay, so first thing is you need to meditate every day. That is the act of loving ourselves, right? Meditation is the best way that you love yourselves. That is very, very, very important. If that is missing, then how much ever is there, that happiness, that inner satisfaction will be there. Maybe you may win medals, you may win trophies, but yet you will be very dissatisfied from your inner. And whatever you are interested in, just check out. See, in pyramid call services or in your school, we will give exposure to many things: drawing, painting, art, craft, music, like that. But you check out in which area you're having a lot of interest, a lot of passion, that you develop. Okay, and you work more on it. Take coaching if required, or learn from YouTube, or if anybody is there to help you, take the help and excel in that art well, or music, or anything, or any sport in particular. Okay, so you have got everything now. You know for success what all is required, and you know about that. If you have any doubts, you can ask to us anytime. And I will deal with the topics. Already we spoke all these topics, but me or Sripadvalli ma'am will be speaking about all these topics now and then. So today, children, I want to teach you some nice oil pastel drawing with nice moon shading. Before that, let's all meditate. Is anybody new to meditation? Join newly? Can you raise your hands? Only who has joined new, please raise the hands. 2Z70. Okay. Kalyan is not new. That's it. Only one is newly joined. 270. Okay. Sai Krupa and Sai Saurabha. Okay. 2 new members to the session. Okay, very good. Welcome to the session. So let's learn about meditation, how it will help us, and then we will practice meditation. Okay, children? So meditation is very easy. But see, every day, every moment, breath is happening. We are taking in breath and we are taking out breath. Without breath, can we live? Sai Krupa, can we live without breath? No, right? But such an important thing, we are never aware of it. We never observed it, right? Such a very important thing in our life, but we never bother about it. We never made friendship with it. We even just did not observe it, right? So now in meditation, what do? We only just observe our natural breath. Then everything will happen. You will get the health, you will get the happiness, you will get the focus, you will get the concentration, everything, whatever you need. Okay, so how you need to practice meditation is, it's very simple. You have to just sit relaxedly, no tightness in the body. You have to, no need to sit erect like this. Sit relaxedly and cross your feet, clasp your fingers, keep it down on your lap. There should not be any tightness in the body. Then, by closing your eyes, you need to observe the in breath and the out breath. That's it. Okay, when you are getting any thoughts about about your friend who is waiting for your play, or about your mama who prepared something nice, tasty dish or some snack, forget about everything. Some thought comes, right? Then you don't observe it, you don't go to it. Okay, you don't bother about it. We just observe our breath. Then what happens is, there is a lot of energy everywhere in the cosmos that you will receive it inside your body. When that energy comes inside our body, then so many experiences we will get. Some may feel it, some may not feel it. You may feel your body is very um, heavy, some may feel your body is very light, or your head is very what to say, um, very heavy or light, or on your back there is some passage, something like these are all different experiences. Okay, you may get or you may not get. You may see sometimes beautiful colors, animals, or nature. So all these are natural, normal in meditation. So how much time you need to meditate is according to your age. If you are 10 years, 10 minutes. If you are 12 years, 12 minutes, like that. And any time is best time to meditate. And after you wake up, from when you start your day, if you start your day with meditation, then your whole day will be very energetic, very fresh. Okay. So, and how much time I told, where I told already, and yes, that's it. So now let us close our eyes, sit relaxedly, just observe your natural breath, normal breath. If you're getting any thoughts, just cut the thoughts and just observe your natural breath, the in breath and the out breath. Till I say okay, just be with your breath. If we open our eyes, we won't get anything. But if we close our eyes, whatever is required for us, we will get everything. Let's not even waste a single second to close our eyes. You need to clasp your fingers, should not leave your hands. Gagan. You are doing very good job. Maurya, every one of you. Slowly place your both hands on your eyes. Keep it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly, no hurry. Yes, you all have done wonderful job. Very good. Shall we clap for ourselves? Shall we appreciate ourselves for such a wonderful work? Wow. Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. You all did very nicely. Very good. So every day this should become a practice. Like how we take care of our body, we need to do meditation to take care of our soul. Because our soul needs a lot of energy every day. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much, children. Is anybody having any doubts? Who is this new cutie under the name of Gagan? Are you new to meditation? Can you unmute?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
my name is Pranavi. I am joining new.
Okay.
I am introduced myself.
Yes.
Studying in Chrysalis. I am first standard.
Wow. Okay. Very nice. So, how is meditation today? Is it your first day, Pranita?
No, ma'am, I joined yesterday, but yesterday I didn't ask.
Okay. Yesterday was a kid show, no? That's why everybody will be in the presentation. Yes, very good. Pranita, right? Your name is?
No, ma'am, my name is Pranavi.
Pranavi. Okay. Very nice, Pranavi. Did you understand meditation?
Yes, ma'am, I understand. We want to keep like this, right, ma'am?
No. You have to clasp your hands like this.
Like this?
Ah. Why? Because in our we'll receive a lot of energy, right? We will be losing it if we just leave like this. But when we clasp like this, we will save 10% of our energy.
Okay, ma'am.
When we cross our feet like this, we save another 10%. How much? 10 plus 10, how much?
10 plus 10.
20. Then when we close our eyes, we save 80% of our energy, you know. So that's why whenever you are tired or whenever you are not feeling good, you need to close your eyes. Then you will save 80% of your energy. Okay? Yeah. So every day you need to practice this. So 80 plus 10 plus 10. Total 100%. So 100% energy you save with this posture. Okay? So every day you need to practice it. Not even one day we should not miss. Not any day will you stop eating? Will you miss eating or sleeping?
No, ma'am.
No, right? Not even one day we miss brushing, right?
Yes.
Yes. The same way we need to just say hi to our breath with the meditation every day. Not even
Okay, ma'am. When one class miss, daily I will do.
Yeah, even if you are not able to attend the class one day, but you need to practice meditation at home. Okay. Thank you, Pranavi. Very nice. You're very cute. Sai Krupa,
Ma'am,
all of you in the meantime take white paper with pad
what
of some
we want
support.
to do, ma'am?
Just a second here. You take some
Ma'am?
pencil eraser. Yes, Sai.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, you can add for we in group, ma'am.
Yes, Shri Padavalli ma'am has given the link for Telegram in the chat. Okay, if you check the chat, it is there. If you just click on it, you need to install Telegram in your phone and you will be joined. Did you understand meditation, Sai Krupa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's it. It's very simple. You have to.
Yesterday I came, ma'am.
Pardon?
Yesterday I came,
Very
but
good. Very good. That's okay. Yesterday was presentation. Every Saturday, children can present any spiritual topics, what they have learned in these meditation classes, and some arts. Yes.
Ma'am, what we want to do like this, we also want to do speech, ma'am. What we want to do, ma'am?
You can sing a song, you can recite a Bhagavad Gita shloka, or if you know any craft, you can do that. But you need to give names in the beginning itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you understand meditation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Who else is new? Pranavi, Sai Krupa, and Sai Saurabha. Yes, one more. In the meantime, children, please take white paper, pencil, eraser. No need of scale. We always will do free hand drawing, right? Yeah. Then let's just listen to Z70. What is this name? Yeah. What is this Z70? Can you unmute and speak? Can you introduce yourself? What is your name?
Vinuta, ma'am.
Hello.
My name is
Hi. What is your name, dear?
Vinuta, ma'am.
What is that? Not able to hear you.
Vinuta, ma'am.
Vinuta. Okay. Did you understand meditation? If you have any doubts, numbers are given in the chat box. Please check it. Yes. Okay. Okay, Vinuta. Thank you so much. So now, children, let's move on. Let's learn a nice oil pastel drawing today. So let me. Yes. So take a white paper and then so on the white paper, you need to divide it into 4 parts. Earlier 2 sessions are already over on oil pastel drawing. Who are new, you can check it in Pyramid Wall Services Bangalore YouTube channel. Under the playlist of meditation for children, it is available. Just a second, children. So no need to, don't use scale. Whenever you get time, take some newspaper and start drawing lines, straight lines, curved lines, wavy lines, circle, oval, and all. Okay, then you will get perfection. So you have divided it into 4 squares, right? In that we will do rectangles. In that we will do 1 box today. Remaining 3 box, you do it as a homework. Then you will get nice practice. Okay, children? Is it okay? Can I move forward? Yes. Okay, so keep your oil pastels ready. Yes, first let us do the drawing. Here in the mid. Yes.
I don't have oil crayons.
Oil pastels. It's okay. You can do it with color pencils. Okay. So in the middle, draw a line. Is it clear, my screen? No? Yes or no? No. Okay.
Auntie, it is clear.
Okay. So draw a line to the half. Then here, take 1 finger gap and we are drawing a mountain. And here, from here again, water. Okay, in the form of yes, you can draw water. Okay, here on the top, you can place moon. Okay, that's all is the drawing. Don't use any coins. You can just draw like that. After drawing, you can take black sketch pen and then draw over it. So this is the drawing. Till here, if everybody is done, then we can go to oil pastel coloring. Actually, we need little space here. Okay, shall we continue? Is it done? Is drawing done? Okay. Yes. So we need what colors we need, I will tell. We need black color. Actually, my cover has gone. Black color is easy for you. Yeah, black color oil pastel, white color. We also need gray color for moon. Gray color is 180. Gray color. Then light violet. The number is 342. Okay. Then light blue color. The number is 239. And we need green shades. Dark green 102. Then leaf green, my number not there. Leaf green will be this color. Then light green 240. Last is lemon yellow. Lemon yellow is 243.
Auntie, leaf green's number is 233.
Okay, 233. Yes, leaf green 233. Light yellow is last thing 243. So these are the four. See, all earlier classes, I already told you like how from dark to lighter things we will do shading, right? Yes, my sister. If you don't have oil pastels, it's
Ma'am,
okay, children.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, first we need lemon yellow and light yellow both.
No. Not lemon yellow, only light yellow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Pranita, you are showing the grading and the flat wash, everything we learned in the first class. Yes, those are the very basics for oil pastels. So you should know that how to apply the color, how we can do shading. That is very important part in oil pastels. If anybody missed, no children, no need to worry. It's there in the Pyramid Call Services Bangalore YouTube channel. Please subscribe to that channel. There are many videos, many sessions for children's, which all happened till now. All are recorded in that. You can just go through, and many activity classes are also there in that. Now, yes, you can do whatever you have. It's okay, children. If you don't have crayons, it's okay. So now take violet color first. No, one drawing is enough. Actually, here for sky, I don't have place. So I did another one. At home, you do the remaining ones, remaining three. Okay? For practice. So this, take one box. We are doing the sky now. Okay? Apply the color in a round way. You already know that. Just watch in the beginning, then you can do. Okay, round. There should not be any white spaces. See to that. Okay. Okay. After the light violet, then we need to take light blue color. Over this little bit, you need to rotate 3 times. Okay, then both the colors will mix well. Okay, so now how beautiful color will come. What color came when we mix violet and light blue? Then message me in the chat. You should not color it on the moon, children. At the end, we will color moon. Okay. See that there is no white space. Apply the color in a round format. Oh, okay. Whoever has not done this, please wait. Actually, I have applied completely. Here you can leave some white space, children. After applying violet, in the sky, there will be also white sky also, no? That also we can show. That I'll show you, please wait. Don't complete it. we will get dark blue when we mix violet and the light blue. Right, children, did you observe? After applying the light blue, what you can do is you can leave the white space. Okay. So here what you can do is here you have left some white space, right? There what you can do is take white. Okay, see that it's clean, children. Whenever you are using any light colors like lemon, light yellow and white color, you need to see if some color is sticked over it, you need to clean it with some white cloth, waste cloth. Then you need to apply the white color there. When you see here, when you do white color over the blue, here light blue you will get. Okay. In the sky, if we see, there will be a lot of shades, right? So till here, I hope everybody has done. Then take your index finger. Still drawing. Okay. After it is done, yeah, okay, Pranita, good. So after it is done, this is important, children. There should not be any white spaces. So take your index finger. This is your magic finger. Remember this. This is your magic finger. See, after that, what happens? Magic happens. You have to rotate like this. I think last class also I have shared you this, right? When you move your finger like this, the shading will be very good. There won't be, if you have any white spaces also, that will go away. And mixing will be very good. This is the magic finger. That's why I call. Okay. Do it slowly, children, no hurry. When we do it very fastly, no, we will miss out something somewhere in the beginning. See here, I missed out to give the white space here. So again, I did new picture. So this is the sky part, children. It's beautiful, no? We could see many colors here. When you observe the sky, how many of you observe sky every day? Good, very good. Yes. When you are under the sky, you should just observe it, enjoy it. So many shades, so many shapes will be formed. You need to observe, enjoy all those things. Yes, this is the sky part, children. Then we will do Is it done? Can you all show me? Wow. Sai Krupa, very good. Wow, who is that? Niharika. Perfect. The mountain can be till the end, Niharika. Yeah. Very good, Pranita. Yes, that's amazing. Yes, Sanavi. Good, very good. You, I think, only did one color, right? Light violet, you did not do. Yes. Yes, Visista, very good. The shading has come out well. Okay, shall we move forward? Yes. So, then we will do this part. So, let's take green color, dark green. The number is 102. So, let's apply it here. Round, round, round. Then after that, leaf green. Then light, light green. Then at the end, let's apply light yellow. While we are applying light yellow also, you need to clean it well. It is dirty. Then apply the light yellow. Leave this portion. We will do at the end. There are white spaces. Take your magic finger, move it. See that there are no white spaces. Okay. Then we will do this down part, children. Observe it carefully here. Here we need to get the shade of the moon here. the light blue. Okay, then shade it, mix it nicely. Here you should be little careful, children. We need to do like this here, horizontal way, just below the moon to get this shade. Okay, this is like this. We will do both sides. Without white spaces, you need to fill it. Then at the end, shall I proceed? Is it done? This is Esther.
Yes, ma'am. I have applied all the 4 colors, all the green shades, we need to do upwards the shading or downwards?
Upwards. Dark color, little lighter, more lighter than the next color shade.
Like this, ma'am. We need to go upwards.
Yes. Here, see, first we applied green color, like this, round, round, round only. Then little leaf green. Then light green, more of light green. Then at the end, we mixed with yellow, lemon yellow.
We should do like 1 minute. Like this, ma'am. Should we do like this?
Oh, means the shading part, like this. Like this.
Horizontally. Like
Yes.
Ma'am.
Even here, now you should see that there are no white spaces. Since it is a oil pastel, no, it will just nicely mix. So here at the end, children, hope you are done. You need to take white color and move like this here. Okay, then we will get that water shade nicely. This blue color will mix a little. That's it. Okay, this is done. Then finally we will do the mountain, that we will do it in a black color. Always black color should be done at the end, children. Remember this, because as it is a dark color, if you are not aware, it will spoil the whole picture. Okay. Hope it is done, children. It's done, children. Picture last moon we will shade. Okay. Black we should do at the end. So finally, take gray color and do round, round, round. Half part of the moon only you do with gray. Okay. Then take your finger and then move like this. Yes, the picture is done. How is it? Did you like it? Yes. If you have any doubts, you can ask children. With oil pastels, we can do so much, children. We can do nice shading. Okay. Yes, Pranita.
Yes, ma'am. I did this.
Beautiful. Yeah, water shading has also come out well.
And last class you teach one oil pastel drawing, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Wow. Good. Yeah.
And that's it, ma'am. And you taught this also, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
And I just think and I did it in a rainbow way.
Blue color.
And,
Yeah. Good, Pranita.
that's it.
Yes, dear. Yeah, my sister.
Yes, ma'am. While doing, you have shown the shadow, right, ma'am? The sky shadow. While doing this, we have applied the violet, no, ma'am. While applying the violet, while here it's very small passage. Very small passage, no, ma'am. We cannot do it with circle, no, ma'am.
Which small passage? Where are you telling?
In this shadow, ma'am.
In here is the shadow. So
Yes, ma'am.
how
In
we
that,
we
there's a violet part, no, ma'am. Here we have lot of here we have lot of violet. Here we have just some violet. See, ma'am. Only small passage.
at the end, no, not required. Water.
Okay.
Only blue color I gave. Only till here I took light violet. Then only blue mixed with.
Okay, ma'am. And also add the green, dark green also. Here you have applied a very small passage. Can we do like that? That we cannot do in circles.
Yes, yes, you can do.
We cannot do like this, no, ma'am. It's very small.
It's okay. What there you can just like a line you can draw.
Okay, ma'am. I just made it with a line only, but while doing another like this only, we need to do one more side, no, ma'am. That we need to improve. So higher.
With the practice, you will get it.
Okay.
Here, while shading, what you have to do here also, I did horizontally both sides. Then here I did with, I mixed, what to say, I have drawn with white. Then it became very light blue. So it will be like a shadow of the moon, moon's rays. Did you get the picture when you see?
No, I didn't complete.
Okay, no, here in this picture, if you observe, it's the moon rays in falling in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
river.
Yes, ma'am. I also got dark blue here when I mixed violet and blue.
Yes. Okay, children, it is 6:08 already. Can you all show me the drawing? Yes. Tanu, very good. You did not do water shading. 1 second, Pranita. I think you are having doubts. Yes, Tanu?
Ma'am, I cannot have oil pastels, ma'am. I have made with this, ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay. With that also, you can leave that part. You can quit.
Ma'am, can you show the picture again?
Yes, yes. Anybody else is having doubt? Okay. Yes, Pranita, about this picture.
Yeah, ma'am. This I have a doubt, ma'am. Like we have like this two white pages, no, ma'am.
No, see here.
Ma'am,
Everything do it 4 times, 3 times, 3 more times. In the class we did 1 time, right? So complete the remaining 3.
okay, ma'am. I just ask like that.
Nice practice. You'll get the nice practice of it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, let's all show the picture once and then we will end the class. Where is Niharika's? Ananya? Are you?
Ananya is sleeping, auntie.
Okay, okay. Good, very good. Can you all show me like this? Yes, Tanu, you also can show Kalyan, Visista. Okay, very good. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed. What is this? How much? Okay, children. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Yes. So complete the remaining part. Practice it for 3 more times. You will get that shading nicely. Do it slowly. No hurry at all. When you are with colors, you know, it will help us a lot. You can even balance your emotions with coloring. That's why every day be with colors, lot of colors, anything. You use it. Okay? Colors will help us to become more focused, become more balanced. Yes. Thank you so much, children. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a great day.